Jess, and welcome to Jess Science, Science for Everyone. Today we're going to be doing a demonstration called walking water. Now imagine if you had the challenge of getting water into this glass without pouring it. What could you do? Well, we're going to be doing that here using some simple things. I've got 3 glasses, 1 empty and 2 with lots of water, and some paper towel and some food coloring. The food coloring is just to make it a bit fun. So I'll add the food coloring to this one here. There we go. Making that blue and some red to this one here. There we are. Lovely. Give it a bit of a stir to make it all blue. And then make it all red. Perfect. Your paper towel you're going to need to fold and just keep folding it until it's all about 1 to 2 inches wide. So I've got it set. There we go. That's one of them. You just need 1 cup of water for this one to get water into the middle one, but we're going to just try it with 2 to see what happens. All right, I'll just put this one on top here just for a second as I fold this one. Now we're going to be adding the paper towel into the water. So it's time to make your prediction, your guess about what you think is going to happen. So I'm going to fold this in half like this. Even do that, and then just let that soak in there. I'm going to do the same with this other one. There we are, and just let it soak in there. So we're looking at a few different principles of science. We can already see the red has gone up to over here on the paper towel. But that's beyond the cup. So it seems to be kind of bypassing gravity. How it's working is something called a capillary action. The water is actually attracted to the fibers in the paper towel. And the water is also attracted to itself. So it touches the paper towel and is attracted to it due to adhesion and starts moving through the gaps in the fiber. And it's pulling the water that's behind it along with it. So very, very quickly, we can already see the red going down here and the blue going down this. It's a bit like how plants work when they get water from the roots to go all the way up to the leaves. Now, I know you're thinking, well, Jess, you haven't added really any water to the cup yet. But we're just going to give it some time. And it could take a while. So let's just watch it and find out how long it's going to take. Well, there we go. I'm going to leave it going, so if you're interested in continue watching, please keep watching it. But already we've managed to solve it, of how to get water into this cup without pouring it. It's pretty incredible. You can even try with lots more glasses and different colors. Can you get it as a rainbow? Before you find out the answer, make a prediction too. How high is this water going to go? I'm going to leave you to finish watching, and that's been Jess Science. I'll see you next time. Bye!